In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy filtered data to another worksheet in Excel. This is a handy skill that can make your data management tasks more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening the Microsoft Excel application. Whether you're using Excel on a Mac or PC, the steps are nearly identical, so don't worry about platform differences here. Once you have Excel open, you should have a document or a spreadsheet that you're ready to work with. Next, you'll need to navigate to the document you wish to work on. Select it so that it's displayed on your screen. If you have multiple documents, find the one where your filtered data currently resides. Once you have your data in front of you, look towards the top of the Excel window, where you will notice a ribbon with several tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, amongst others. Click on the Data tab, which is where all the tools necessary for managing your data are located. In the Data tab, look for the Filter button. Filtering your data is a vital step because it allows you to view only the information that meets certain criteria. If you haven't already applied a filter to your data, you can do so by highlighting the relevant columns and then clicking the Filter button. This will add a small drop-down arrow next to each column header, enabling you to select specific criteria you wish to focus on, whether it's sorting numbers, text, or dates. Once you've set up your filter and your spreadsheet is displaying only the data you want, the next step is to copy it. Highlight the filtered data by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you want to copy. Be careful to select only the relevant information. Now, with your data highlighted, press Ctrl+C on a Windows PC or Command+C on a Mac to copy the data to your clipboard. To ensure everything copied as intended, you might want to double-check that your selection includes only the filtered data. It's often helpful to use the filtered view to prevent copying hidden rows or columns unintentionally. Now, let's head over to a new worksheet to paste this data. At the bottom of your Excel window, click on the plus sign to create a new tab. This will open a fresh page where you can copy your data. Move to this new tab, click on the first cell where you'd like to paste your filtered data, and then press Ctrl+V on a Windows PC or Command+5 on a Mac. Voila! Your filtered data should now neatly appear in the new worksheet. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to copy filtered data from one worksheet to another in Excel. This skill can save you time and keep your data organized, so don't hesitate to use it whenever you need to manage complex data sets. Thanks for watching. See you next time.